Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the new tools from Ryobi. Yes, Ryobi is releasing some new tools. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out with the channel, so we can get more tools, make more tool reviews, tool videos. We need more likes. That way, it'll help us out to get more tools. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys haven't seen, we're here at the Facebook. If you guys don't know, I do have a Facebook page for the channel. It's Toolhead147. Feel free to hit the like button for that page. But anyways, we're here at the Facebook. We're at the official Ryobi Tools USA. So they did make a post. It says yesterday at 1:26 p.m. It says new additions to Ryobi system arriving 2020. Summer of 2020, over 125 tools counting. Stay tuned, we're not done yet. So obviously they're saying that they got a lot more tools coming. And yeah, these are the tools. We got says here coming soon at the background. The first tool we have here is the 3/8 inch ratchet. You know, there was rumors out there that ratchet was released already out in some other countries, but not in USA. But now they're releasing it in USA. That's one good thing, because we need a ratchet for Ryobi. We got a 3/8, so we got a 3/8 ratchet for that. And then we have a 3/8 drill driver. So this is a smaller. We do have the 1/2 inch already out, but this is the 3/8 drill driver. So this is the smaller one. And this is the compact cordless stick vacuum. But yeah, you guys see this is the version 1. You guys see this is a gray. This one is pretty much, let's see here, it's 18 volts. 18 volts. Yeah, the battery is in the front part, and this one, the battery is on the back part. It's on the top. So I guess I would guess this is the version 2. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so this is the compact stick vacuum. Yeah, it's kind of different from the other one. The other one has gray here. Maybe this is the version 2. The battery is on the front. The other one, the battery is on the back. And this canister is on the bottom here. So it's a little different than the other one they already have out. And yeah, we do have a rocket light. This is a hybrid tripod stand light. So it'll be powered by the electricity, like a extension cord or the battery. And this is pretty much like the Milwaukee rocket light, same thing, but a little different here. As you guys see, it does have a tripod here. It looks like it's adjustable. It does have some clips here, so you can, I guess, put a different height and maybe put a different angle here. So it's a really nice rocket light if you guys are looking for something like that. You guys are already in Ryobi, so these tools are great for that. We got the 1/4 inch ratchet. So it's pretty much the same thing, but the smaller one. Looks like it does have the battery on the back, both of these. And then the other one is a 3 3/8 multi-material saw. So this is, we've seen other material saws that they have. This is a much bigger one. I would say they pretty much took a circular saw and just pretty much try to put it in there with a smaller blade for the multi-material. It looks real nice, actually. It doesn't look that bad. So anyways, this is the new tools that are coming out. Here's some of the comments that people are putting here. It says new addition to system arriving 2020. All right. And it looks like some people are commenting here, and they are putting their answer here. It says, thank you for the suggestion. We'd like to see Ryobi track saw with the dust collection. Looks like a multi-material saw. And then we'd like to see Ryobi hardwood tile saw or floor cleaner steamer. So they got different comments there. You guys feel free to go online on facebook.com and go to the Ryobi official site and look at this picture if you guys want to look at this further. So anyways, just a short video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel so we can get more tools, make more tool videos. Thank you guys for watching.